This tutorial I am going to look into using Gimp to select the foreground subject. The method used will be foreground select. The image used is that of a cat, with the edges not being very easily separable from the background, unlike the previous examples. The foreground select is about selecting a region containing foreground objects, with an algorithm that differentiates between the foreground and the background. Select the foreground select tool. The feather edges will not be selected, as it can be done later on as well. The draw mode will be draw foreground. The stroke width will be 10. The preview mode will be color. The engine will be matting Levin with levels at 2 and active levels at 2 as well. Start clicking on the background to approximately select the foreground that is required. It works just like the free select tool. The area selected has to be as close as possible to the foreground. Once the selection comes closer to the starting point, then press enter to complete the selection. This highlights the background in blue. Then the cursor changes to the paint cursor. Zoom 200 to 400% to properly select the outline of the cat. Now start painting onto the subject. Carefully select close to the edges without painting onto the background material. Once complete, click on Preview Mask. This shows what will be selected as foreground as a sort of a preview. If not satisfied with the preview, untick Preview and paint as close as possible to the edges without painting onto the background. If you select the background accidentally, then in the Draw mode select Draw Background and paint the background back. If you select the edges accidentally, then in the Draw mode select Draw Unknown and paint the edges as unknown back. Once done, click on Preview Mask. Then press the select button. This will create a selection of the subject. Do copy Ctrl C, paste Ctrl V, then new layer to create a new layer with the subject. Make the original layer invisible and look at the image subject if it is satisfactory to your requirement.